So now the alcohol. Alcohol has only one oxygen, has an OH group, can be classified as degree 1 degree or 2 degree or 3 degree according to position of OH group on carbon skeleton. Their name is alkanol and the structure is that. So the alcohol may be classified as primary, secondary and tertiary or according to which carbon of alkyl group is bonded to hydroxyl group. Most alcohol are colorless, liquid or solid at room temperature. Alcohol of low molecule weight and highly soluble in water. With the increased molecular weight, they become less soluble in water and their boiling point, vapor pressures and densities and viscosities increased. So now the alcohol are among the most common organic compound. They are used as a sweetener and in making perfume and valuable intermediate and synthesis of other compounds, and are among the most abundantly produced organic chemical in industry. And perhaps the two best known alcohol are ethanol and methanol, I think, and methyl alcohol ethanol used in I think trailers, I think. So now the next one is aldehyde. The alcohol there which I discussed, the three primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol, that is the structure formulas. And the next one is aldehyde. Aldehyde is only one oxygen, has C double bond group. C double bond group is the end of the carbon chain, so is the next door to the hydrogen atom. Their name is alkanol. So the structure is that aldehyde, any class of organic compound in which a carbon atom share a double bond with an oxygen atom, a single bond with the hydrogen atom, and the single bond with the another atom and other group of atom. So it's represented, I think, for R. And the now this aldehyde structure formula is that one is C double bond O undergoes a widely variety of chemical reaction including polymerization, and their combination with the other type of molecule produce the so-called aldehyde consideration polymers, which have been used in plastics such as pick your example, whatever what you want. So the plastics such as limited and tabletop material, formica, I think formica, yes. And aldehyde are also useful as solvent and perfume ingredients and intermediate in the production of dyes and pharmacies. And aldehyde are involved in the psychological processes. Example are vitamin A aldehyde important in human vision and so on. So that is aldehyde. The next one is ketone. So the ketone is basically only one oxygen, has C double bond O group. C double bond O group is not at the end of carbon chain, so the next door is 2 carbon. So the next chain is that is the structure formula, and their name is alkanol. Propanol, actually the structure formula, and the ketone carbon is often described as sp power 2, I think, hybridized, and the both their electronic and molecular structure. Ketone are triangular planar around the ketonic carbon, like that C single bond and between C, and bond angles are approximately 120 degree, yes. And ketone differ from aldehyde is that carbonyl group. So CO is bonded to 2 carbon within the carbon skeleton. So the carbonyl group is polar because the electronegativity of oxygen is greater than the of the carbon. So the ketone is at oxygen, so or at carbon, because the carbonyl group interact with the water by hydrogen bonding, and typically more soluble in water than the rated methylene compound, I think. So ketone are hydrogen bond acceptor. Ketone are not usually hydrogen bond donor and cannot hydrogen bond to themselves because their ability to serve both a hydrogen bond donor and acceptor. Remember that donors and acceptor ketone tend not to self-associate and the more volatile than alcohol and carboxylic acid of capable more molecular weight.